Hello guys, welcome back. Here's how you can save slides, PowerPoint slides, as images in PowerPoint. Here's how you can do it. So for example, this slide is going to be converted into an image. So easy, so fast. This slide as well. To do this, click on File and then click on Export. This will export the entire slides into image files. So click on Change File Type and then click on Save As. Afterwards, you save it. So change the file type into PNG. I love PNG. If you want to save the slides as JPEG image files, it's up to you. But PNG, will do for me. So click on Save when you're done. Click on All Slides so that all slides are converted into images. Then open Documents. Open the folder, which has the same name as the name of the presentation. Double click, and you're done. Slide 1 as PNG, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. That's how you can do it. Converting PowerPoint slides into images, just like the images that I've shown to you. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!